I was saying,
Yes.
I hope you win whatever contest.
It's not a contest.
I'm making it into a contest and she wins. You're going on the front page of the newspaper. I have control and I
Right.
This is yearbook picture. Spray. Lots of spray.
I know. Your kids are going to make so much fun of you for this. Have you seen some pictures of her dad?
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
Mom, what were you thinking?
Okay.
Daddy's like, what? Who is Kesha?
What's the Kesha?
Kesha, you think?
What's the Kesha?
Is that enough?
Yes,
Yes.
please.
Okay, let me spray one more time. And why is there S a money sign? What the heck?
What is this? You made shirts. You couldn't just like.
Computer?
What is this?
Load that here.
Love. Love.
my God.
That's so
Oh, you look like Rihanna. Good.
Yeah.
Dude.
4.
High five.
Me and my date go all out.
Woo! How was my homecoming day, Dad?
Okay.
Oh, right on.
I think my bow makes you out.
See, there's no glitter there.
Oh, fine. There's
okay.
some on the outside.
Okay, here. Let's do this side. We're getting...
Are we done?
I'll spray.
I need to go help other people, so I'm getting impatient.
Well, we need to re-glue your eye. So.
My eye? My eye.
Your eye. Okay, I think we're good.
Okay.
More glitter.
Addie's like,
Stop.
Confetti! Confetti!